this little thirsty ass out here. Ready. What it do, y'all, man? Hey, I had to make sure I ain't turned that camera that way so y'all didn't see them seats, cause them demonstrations so hey, they right. Yeah. They ain't even pulled out and they look. Hey, from night and day, man. Turbo, get your ass back, man. What you doing? You need me to pull it out? You want me to pull the car out? Yeah. Alright, I'll pull that out then. Let me get this. Dang, Migo, that's how you styling? Damn, bro.
You said 20 kilos.
Let me get this thing situated. Turbo, relax, bro, before you go your ass to the crib, man. What you doing? Yeah, I'm gonna just push it out because I got all this stuff in. Yeah.
I'm gonna back up here.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, that way. Yeah, that's how we gonna do. We gonna push that thing, gang. Y'all see Double Cup over here on Mega Beam. Yes, sir. Ready to rock and roll.
Let's go. Come on.
You gonna go with him? Turbo rocking with Migo. Y'all see it though, man. Gooch got the center stick demonstration, man. Hey, it's time to get right. It's time to get the old veil right. It's act bad time, man. I want y'all to see these seats. Them things look so juicy, but I'm about to go ahead and push it on out. You about to go ahead and do what you gotta do. I think the weather, who this calling? Okay, I gotta get with them in a hot second. Don't want to jack this young blend out real quick, but yeah. Let me go ahead and get this thing pulled out real quick, and then we'll go ahead and cut this demonstration back on. Y'all already know if this is the first time checking out my video, like, share, subscribe. Subscribe to my boy channel too, man.
Yeah, make sure y'all type in Gucci, get it going, man. Definitely finna turn up. You know what I'm saying? Right now, we typed in on the Chevelle project. You know, I got the Monte Carlo. We finna get back rolling on that.
Yes,
you know,
sir.
I'm just letting my boy do his thing, and then we gonna bop back.
Yes, sir. Ooh, I can't let y'all see them, boy, yet. I had to pull a little magic demonstration on y'all, but yeah, let me get this thing out. Them things looks crispy. Yes, sir. Yeah, sit tight, guy. Yeah, you ain't never lying. The backside definitely all the way replenished, all the way suited and booted. Go ahead, flip them on the other side. Let me see that other side. Let's see that other side of this thing. Yeah, that shit up to par. Good cushion in there too. Y'all see it though, all the way crispy. All the way crispy, and here go the backside right here. Backside all the way suited and booted too. Get Double Cup on Beam, man. Look, she was ready to act bad yesterday, man. She was ready to act bad yesterday, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Oh, and do all that. Yes, sir. That's what, yeah, hell yeah. Y'all see, man. Hope y'all see it all together right now. This is the before all the way. The after about to be a mega transformation, you know what I'm saying? So sit tight, I'm gonna get out of his way. Let him do what he gotta do, and then come back in and show y'all the progress with all this dim dabbled and yeah. Summer, man. Hey, that floor, I just edited some more Florida footage too. Really? Watching some more of them, oh man, they be turned, bro. That's how we gotta back to back. About 5, 6 out. Yeah. I'm thirsty, boy. I'm ready. Ooh, and then the wheels are, listen, the wheels is ready, gang. So I'm already knowing how, I'm pitching it. Yes, sir.
Later that same evening.
Got them real deal classics rolling right now. Real classics rolling, yes, sir. Y'all looking good, man. Rolling, boy, rat rod style. That motherfucker fire, you hear it? There go another one. They moving, yes sir. Hell yeah, they all rat rod style, but them bitches rolling. One more, yes sir. See, Goose, we need to be in all schoolies, gang. That's the street car life. They roll with the gang. That's crazy. See, and that's even though, you know what I'm saying, all three of their cars not even wetted up with real. Ooh, he popping! He can feel it! They just popped that thing! Bro, they got some motors in them.
Yeah,
they got some motors in them. Like, oh, you hear him? Yeah, look, he humming. They humming. We just literally said they got motors. They moving them things. Them things look old. Them things move though. Them things move. Yes, sir. You can see the suspension fully done and everything. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Working proud. They humming them. Yes, sir. Hey, humming. See, man, them old schools, boy. I need to be in the field. Man, see, we need to be in the schoolies, gang. Go try to be on BS bullying them with the 797. What are you on with them, gang?
I just had to let them know. Hey, watch out! I see you. You clean.
That look decent, bro. That's
like
crazy. What's this? A Galaxy?
No, that's
a Boo.
That's a Chevelle.
Damn, that's look. Here's hum.
He got
He
the killer.
throwing flames and everything in that one. Yeah, I'm rocking with the. See, man, that's what I was just saying though. No cap, like the old schools. You see how they cars not even wetted up or nothing like that, but they still turning overheads right now with that muscle. Ooh, okay. Yeah, they got some motors in there. See, that's what you got to do. Them motors, boy.
I'm telling you.
They ride them things, bro. They ride them. Yeah, man, them old school. See, they turn their heads and everything. They not even wetted up or nothing, but you feel me? They 3 deep in them classic demonstrations on the E-way, purring at 80, sounding good. You feel me?
They definitely doing 75, 80.
What?
Riding. All of them.
This one the one that's throwing the flames. He the spiciest.
Yeah.
I even see his exhaust and everything. He the spiciest. Damn! Sleeper effect! Didn't I tell you he was the spiciest one? Oh, that motherfucker crazy, dude. Damn! Hey, he got on that thing right there. That's why back by the first day he spooned. Oh yeah. I told you I was feeling that one the most was so crazy.
He was like, what's this is? So good. He had that turbo on that joint.
He was in super, he had full exhaust. Damn, gang, that would have been a decent kind of review.
Yeah.
That
That's like been, Jordan cars.
Yeah, that would have
no
been.
rims.
Yeah. Cause he had rallies on there. He was looking,
You know, the dude who built the Buffalo car? He got one like that, a Nova though.
See, what I just liked about his was he was like super sleeper.
Yeah.
With that full exhaust, he wasn't over like, you ain't had a rumble or nothing. Like, you heard a little bit, but it wasn't
the
like.
Patina, they call it the Patina look.
Man.
Yeah. That's what I rock with it. And what I like, they really was doing 80 in their old school motor.
Riding.
I don't know if they might have had LS in them.
No, there wasn't no old school motors in there.
They had to have some LS.
Yeah,
they was all LS.
Yeah, they was switched for sure. But I'm just saying, like, they was rolling and they was humming. Like, you could hear the motor in them and everything. Like, no, they wasn't no conventional stuff. No. They rat rodding them, but conventional rat rodding them. Like, that.
Yeah, I tried to say y'all a little slack with an old 350.
Nah.
You know what? And he was a little too quiet. They was like carbureted LS or something.
Man, they was nice.
Yeah, on God.
They was nice. I would have liked to pull over and all them pop the hood on them. Them was some decent cars right there.
They from Indiana. They gonna see the vlog. Somebody
they probably going to a car show out here.
They ain't gonna no damn car show, bro.
Probably. They probably going to that drive-in.
It's like us hitting up a couple people and we out.
They probably going to drive-in.
Oh yeah, it is right there. We can go through there.
Yeah, we gonna bend back through there, man. Y'all sit tight. We got some Foley footage, dude. That's when they got some killers too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Indiana killer. Oh yeah.
Yeah, yes sir.
A few minutes later.
Gang, we done hit another loke. Ooh, that thing looking nasty. That thing looking nasty. I ain't gonna, woo, them 8s on that sitting chunky. Yes, sir.
Man, Gucci, let me get this motherfucker down.
Them 8s and chunky on that thing. What's the word?
You probably be out here burning rubber right now.
I'm chilling, man. I'm chilling. In the Escalade?
That's a long, that's how. That mean that bird.
Damn.
Yeah, they ride like that around here.
That's
look,
crazy.
They see me in that, they think I'm the police in that motherfucker.
Shit, you about?
Yeah. Should I? Put it right there.
Get that young pick with it in that grass. They about to get it glass packed up, man, and then we gonna go ahead and show y'all the them dabbles on this thing, man. But hey, donk on 8s. Whole little vlog done switched up for a whole turn today. We done started off with the Veil. We done did all type of stuff. Went to the truck spot. They was closed. Blew me. So got to hit that demonstration tomorrow, man. But hey, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. So now we got this one going on. And yeah, got a young car review, man. So yeah, y'all sit tight. It's gonna be lit. Yes, sir. Hey, that thing looking good, boy. That thing looking good. I ain't gonna sit here and lie. Yeah, this thing looking righteous. I ain't gonna sit here and lie. Squatting hard. Squatting hard, yes sir. Woo, I'm gonna have to overtalk this young music so I get up on y'all real quick and let y'all see what's up. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, she's squatting hard. She's squatting hard. That drop life again, man. That drop life again. Digi dash in this demonstration. I'm starting to feel these donks, gang. I could do one of these big things. I ain't gonna sit here and lie. I'll twerk one of these big boys. Yeah, I'll twerk one of these things. I ain't gonna sit here and lie. This thing big and comfortable. Seats mega soft. Who did the guts? Who did the guts?
Debo.
It feel like a Debo guts. I ain't gonna sit here and lie to you shit. This shit soft as hell up in here. Mega soft. Console all the way suited and booted with the music. Oh yeah, this thing slamming off the meat racks too. Y'all gonna have to see it on Instagram. This thing slamming off the meat racks too. Yes sir. Hey Gooch. Yeah, she right. Oh, I ain't even peeped the blue lights. I ain't even peeped the blue lights in this demonstration too. Tierra Grill. Oh yeah. Yeah, before we cut the tunes on, let them know what you got going on with this demonstration, gang.
Man, we doing the giveaway, man. 1973 Caprice convertible, 28-inch 4Gs, LS swap, music, Debo interior, DBO music, you know what I'm saying? Bare brakes, suspension done by Sammy's, Tierra Grill, you know what I'm saying? Frame off restoration, you know what I'm saying? Ain't no corners cut, just that big boy build, top 5. We doing the top 5 giveaway then. That's how we coming, you know what I'm saying? Jump right in the dunk game and get on them boys' ass, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, this thing look nasty, boy. Hey, I ain't gonna sit here and lie. This one look good, boy. This one a full off build. Slamming, like I say, tap into the Instagram, y'all, because it's about to get nitty gritty on these tunes, y'all. Sit tight.